This is our Forex blog for August 6, 2014. I'm busy improving our Forex signals every day. We're close to 600 different patterns that we look for now. And I spend half the day fixing old patterns and the other half of the day putting in new ones. Here's how our signals did today. The only secret to trading is have small losses and bigger wins. Small loss, very tiny loss. That's what your risk is, and made a small profit. That's what your risk is, made a small profit. So you can see that the losses, these two losses are pretty much made up and covered by these, and you have a little bit more, and then you end the day with about 20, 25, 30 pips in profit. That's how the euro did. I'm going to go through the rest of them quicker. Here's the euro yen. Got short around 137. Got out at 50. Made 50 pips. Short here at 73. Out at 25. Made another 50 pips. So this one made 100 pips. Small profit here. Small win and one tiny loss. Here's the pound dollar. And I'm very strict based on the patterns we look for. Sometimes, we don't find trades when they're just kind of going up in a very choppy fashion like this. We just try to avoid trading. This is a breakout trade right here that generated about 10 or 12 pips. This one made 5. This one made about 6. This one made about 8 to 10. And this one also worked. And here's the pound yen. We'll scroll back earlier in the day. Small win, big win, big win, big win, tiny loss, decent win. This one lost about 3 pips. This one shorted here at 24 and got out, unfortunately, here for about 30 pips. This one is about a break even, and then we got short again at 12 and got out somewhere around 95 for another 15 pips. And you can improve our signals by using our currency indexes and currency meters. These let you see visually what each currency is doing. You can see the dollar's trending up. It pulls back to its hourly moving average, slightly below it, starts to go back up. It's a good place to be looking for a buy in the dollar against a currency that's possibly weak. You can see the euro was going sideways. It broke down. It's at its hourly moving average and likely to resume the downtrend. So at 4 o'clock, it's a very high probability trade for a sell. And of course, our signals give you a pattern here, so you could take the patterns that match what the currency index is telling you to do. Let's scroll into the future, or let's look at some of these other currencies. At 4 o'clock, the New Zealand's weak as well, and it's had a multi-hour pullback. It's underneath the previous day's low, so it's very likely to resume its downtrend. Look how weak the daily, weekly, monthly trend is. So in a nutshell, you want to sell the New Zealand dollar around 4. You want to look for a sell. And one of the easier ways of doing this is to just simply draw your trend line underneath the bar's low, go short right here with your stop above the high, and you can see again, small risk. You're never going to catch every pip, but it fell about 3.5 to 4 times more than what your risk is. So even if you caught half of that, you got about a 1.5 times bigger profit than what your risk is.